Hello everyone, today I'm gonna speed build Angry Bird Museum. If you don't know, Jutland Museum right now is collabing with Angry Birds. If you don't know Angry Birds, you're really missing out. It's about Angry Birds. Yeah, angry because they're angry. The egg stolen by the piggies. Here I'm gonna make a tree biome, snow, mountain, and the grassland. I will surround every island with the fence because I don't wanna my guests go around to the water because it's water, you know. The reference here is the Angry Birds Island. You can find Angry Birds Island in the game or the movie, but there are differences each other. I will put the golden egg here and the ice for the stem, and the wooden and the grass and the stone on the cave, the mountain. I will put some tree to make it look natural and some rocks. After that I will put everything, and here I put so many eggs. Micro Museum only needs 5 exhibits, so I will reduce it later. I'm focusing on decoration here. Decoration with the blocks, and then don't forget the toilets and the place for our workers. Here I'm reducing the exhibits. It need 5, 3 fortress, 1 golden eggs, and 1 bird's red. As you can see, everything is looking nice. Only 5 exhibits. Don't see the buildings this big. I just want to put water on the floor because you cannot place water outside the buildings. Here is the golden egg. It's the last level in this museum. As you can see, it's 3 levels: grass, mountain, and the snowy. Thank you for watching.